Hey, Professor Taylor, how are you? I'm going to be discussing the two cases and articles that you have given us in reference to the involuntary intoxication. In my opinion of the matter, I don't think that the first article and first case really goes and ties into involuntary intoxication, because we know with this particular definition of involuntary intoxication, it really solely involves around drug and alcohol. And the first case is a mental illness going on. It's a mental disorder going on. Now, that particular defendant could have some kind of medication that can probably go into correspondence of it. But in the actual article, and from what I have read, I didn't see anywhere in that particular article, stating that he was on a particular, or that the defendant was on a particular medication that would cause him to have to act outside of his normal self. He wasn't which would place him in a state of mind of not being regular, not being his regular self. Now, however, in the second case, which talks about the defendant, that the particular defendant, he had an addiction from the drugs. We know it was nicotine involved, and I think that case is really what plays the role in reference to involuntary intoxication. Now, from our case studies that we have been reading in the textbook, on pages, let's see here, 211, which talks about the explanatory theory, and it states, as we, let's see here, an excuse defense is the nature of a claim that although the actor has harmed society, she would not be blamed or punished for causing that harm. And I think that particular theory really goes into play for the first case. Now, in the second case, I don't think that it would really cover that. I think that the first case is more of a hate crime. The second case really goes into play with the involuntary intoxication, because it's an addiction, it's a drug problem going on, which can cause a human being to get addicted to whatever drug it may be or medication going on, and that can cause disbehaviors going on, different personalities, which can cause them to become violent and anything regarding that act of the law. Also, and I'm going to just wrap it up, also in our textbook, we know insanity defense corresponds with the case 1. And if you look on pages in our textbook from 204 to 207, it talks about the justification and the excuse of defense. That goes into play with case 1 as well. But in my opinion, case 2 really falls into play for involuntary intoxication. And that's my viewing on this matter. Thank you.